I'm Reggie, my daughter is Shay, and we're about to cook something that you want to be a part of.
Cooking some crispy chicken sandwiches.
Easy, it's gonna be good, and we went out and got all the ingredients. So let me show you what we're gonna be cooking tonight.
We got our chicken.
It's chicken breast. All right, it's good to get the thighs. The thighs are good too. It's meatier, it's juicier, but this is gonna do real good because it's gonna be quick and easy. Right. Listen, 20 minutes, 30 minutes to the top.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it, right?
That's all she wrote.
What type of ingredients we got there?
So we got some parsley flakes. We got some salt. We got some black pepper. We have butter. You know, some adobo.
Adobe.
Okay, adobo. It say adobo. And we have olive oil. And that's all she wrote.
I'm going to do some prepping. So I'm going to take this chicken and I am going to make sure that it's seasoned up very well. So for the most part, what we're going to be doing is you got to make sure that the meat is clean. Why don't you take the olive oil and put a little bit of olive oil in that frying pan there.
Just a little bit of oil, guys. It goes a long way.
Now, when you wash your chicken, you just want to just dab it just a little bit to make sure that you don't have a lot of water on your chicken. And the reason why is because you want all of your seasons to adhere to the meat. And if you have water in there, all it's going to do is just kind of mess it up. Well, you've put the oil in the pan.
Yes, I did.
And we're going to also take a couple pieces of butter and we're going to put in the frying pan as well. What this is going to do is it's going to give us the extra added flavor that we need. So we're going to let that, oh yeah, look at that, that's goodness there. So now we're going to make our chicken. So we're going to season it up real quick. We're going to put that adobe on there. Like
adobo.
So. Adobo. So we're going to do that. And we're going to add our black pepper. Now it's kind of important that you season this well. A lot of people like to marinate it, and you most certainly can. There's nothing wrong with that. But you want to make sure that it's nice, it's good, and it's smelling really nice.
Come over in the camera. Should be one angle.
Now I know you're like, you're just putting that on one side. No, I am not. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it and make sure that all that goodness gets all over that chicken. All over it. Yes, we are. Because we want that goodness everywhere. Look at that. See? So we're going to put a little adobe on there. So once again, you got to make sure that you season your meat very well. And right before we put this in the frying pan, I am going to make sure that I wash my hands. You can turn that down to a medium heat. Chicken in the pan.
No, you just wanna.
Now the key to putting meat in the in the pan is to put it down but away from you. Alright? Put it down. Thank you, honey.
Don't be afraid, you might get popped.
Look at that chicken. It's simmering, it looks good. Now the key to cooking chicken is to look at it. Now if you look here, you can see where it's beginning to turn white. Look at that. That means that it's almost done on that side. Alright? It's almost done on that side. Look at that. Look at that. It's browning very nice. Now, it's kind of key that you don't keep on bothering your meat. So you just let it cook up real nice and good. And it should be done in just a little bit.
So right now, we're just preparing the bread.
So we're prepping, getting ready for the good old bread. Let's look in on our chicken. As you can see, it's white around the edges, which pretty much means that it's ready to be flipped. Now watch when I flip it. Watch this. Bam! Go the other side. Bam!
Did you get pop?
Yeah, it's a part of cooking. It's all good. Right?
And right now, we are prepping the bread, getting it ready to put the sandwiches on.
The chicken on?
Yeah, that's what I meant. I don't know why I said sandwiches. We're getting ready to put the fried chicken on there. We got the barbecue sauce and the pickles. Back to chicken. You hear it's over here cooking. So you just want to have a plate on the side to put the chicken on. And what you want to do is you want to line that with some paper towel, aluminum foil. No, not aluminum foil. So bring the plate to the pan and just put your chicken on there. Wow.
And the reason why we do that is because, one, we want the chicken to rest. So now, once again, away from you so that it won't splatter on you.
Going for that third chicken in there.
Going for the third piece of chicken.